Hello and welcome to PlaySmoothPiano. This song is by the good folks at Maybach Music Group. It's called Aston Martin Music and it features Drake. Now the piano in this song is pretty cool. It's actually, this was actually produced by the Justice League, and the keyboard sound that I'm using is called Mixed Up. It's in the Motif XS6 in the keyboard section. We're zoomed into the right hand, and what you're going to do first is play this chord here. It's a B flat, E flat, G flat, and a B flat an octave higher. Next chord is A flat, D flat, G flat, and A flat. Finally, you resolve here. A flat, C, F, A flat. Believe it or not, that's pretty much what the keyboard is doing in the whole song. It's just repeating those same three chords. If you don't believe me, I went ahead and reproduced parts of this track on this keyboard, and I'll play the track for you a little later so you can see that that's actually what's going on in the background. Just those three main chords. Your left hand's literally going to play two notes. You're going to play a G flat and then a B flat. With the right, so what we're going to do now is bring in one instrument at a time, starting with the keys. Pretty straightforward, we learned that earlier. What I'll do is bring in the strings now. Then the bass line. Then why not bring in the lead and the snare? That's almost a full track. I got lazy and didn't put the rest of the drums in there, but this is pretty much the memorable part of the track. As you can see, the keys fade into the background, but it's pretty much the meat of the track that kind of gives it that glossy feel.